Hello out there once again, my name is Olutola. In this lesson I will be showing you general equation of a circle. Alright, the general equation of a circle. Please, I would like you to subscribe, share, like and comment on my video lessons. Please, thank you. To get this started, recall that the equation of a circle with center A and B, those are the coordinates, and we have the radius. We have the radius r. Is given by x minus a square plus y minus b square equals to r square. Of course, you know this equation. We can use this to get the equation of a circle when we have the coordinates of the center and the radius. If I expand this, what I mean is, if I open this up, x minus a, x minus a. If I expand this also, y minus b equals to r square. I'm going to have x square, x times x. Okay, then x times this will give us minus ax, then minus ax plus a square, then I have plus y square minus by plus b square equals to r square. So if I rearrange this, I will have x square minus 2ax plus a square plus the y. Now we have y square minus this will give us negative 2by plus b square equals to r square. So I can further rearrange this. X square plus y square comes first, then I have negative 2ax, I have negative 2by, I have plus a square, the constant now, plus b square. Then I'll bring r square to the left hand side. I will have negative r square equals to 0. So this equation now, all of this can be further written as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So what I have done is that I have taken all of this as my c. So my c is a square plus b square minus r square. So all of these have been put in as constant c. Now also I have turned negative 2ax, I've turned it to 2gx. So it also means that a equals to negative g, and my b is negative f. So c is the whole of all these constants. This is called the general equation of a circle. I'm going to use that in an example problem. I would like you to follow me through.